Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cut out your picture on the Polish application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the create button. Select a picture, then slide to the right side of the screen until you find this cut out section. Here you can find the artificial intelligence cutout, but if you tap on the cutout button you should indicate or draw along that part that you want to cut out from your picture, and as you are done with it you are going to see how it looks like. By the help of this slides you can also select the size of the eraser. That's how you can erase parts from your picture. You can zoom in and out for better application. As you tap on the shape button you can cut out your picture in these shapes, just like this. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.